Synthesia AI tutorial. How to use Synthesia AI. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can turn your text into video within minutes using Synthesia AI. Synthesia is an amazing platform that allows you to convert your basic script into amazing videos like this, where there's an actual character that is going to speak, and you can add different types of gestures to that character, choose the blinking, choose the facial expressions, and you have a multi-variant of characters available, so you can pick out the character that suits your scripts the most. Now, the best part about all this is that it is such a simple-to-use platform that anyone can do it from anywhere. And as you guys can see, they have over 130 languages available. Though it's as easy as making a slide, it's as easy as using Canva. You use Synthesia, but the results you get are super magnificent and can be great in making different types of content on Synthesia. Now, with that in mind, keep in mind that Synthesia currently does not have a free version or a trial version, but you can create one free AI video to check out Synthesia to understand how it works. So, Synthesia either has a 30-minute demo where you get a personalized demo, you can hear proven success stories, and you learn about the pricing for Synthesia across your own use case. Now, if you take a look at the pricing of Synthesia, which is really reasonable, considering its high-quality features, it is starting at $22 a month. However, this is on yearly billing. If you go for monthly billing, you're going to be paying $29 a month, where you can have one editor and 3 guests in your workspace. You can edit 10 minutes of video per month, and you have over 70 AI avatars. The key features include over 120 languages and voices, an AI voice assistant, and a built-in screen recorder. Now, on the creative version, it starts at $89 a month, where you get access to one editor and 5 guests with 10 minutes of video per month. However, if you want to create more than that, so if you have a really large volume of video that you want to create, in that particular case, you have to go for the enterprise version. Now, if you're someone that is looking to work in bulk, if you're someone that is looking to build loads of content-based videos with Synthesia, you would have to opt for the enterprise version, which can usually yield you a better deal. And they also have basic features such as custom font, audio downloads, branded share page, and quick translations, teams and collaboration. So let's get started with our first video on Synthesia. Now, to create your first free video on Synthesia, which is going to help you in understanding the platform before you actually go on ahead and subscribe to it, because no one wants to subscribe to a platform where they are uncertain about the use. So, in that particular situation, simply head on over to synthesia.io and click on Create Free AI Video. Or if you scroll down on their home page, you would be able to find the free AI video generator. Now, you have a Synthesia demo script. You also have a sales pitch, and you also have a compliments script. So, this is totally up to you how you want to, customize this. So, there are different characters available, and you can simply choose the type or the character you want. I want this to be a sales pitch. I really like this character. And you guys can see it, we can, alter between characters when we do subscribe to Synthesia. One thing to note about Synthesia is that political, inappropriate, or discriminatory content will not be approved. So you have to fit within Synthesia's guidelines, and they are really generous with their guidelines, so you don't have to worry about being flagged or worry about, a lot of things, but try to make sure that your content is not filled with any, adult content or any types of inappropriate humor that might be found. Though, let's get started, and I am going to customize the script. Well, hi, it's Lily, and we're back with another video, and I'm sending a summary of the key points. As promised, I am teaching you how to use our new CRM tool like this. After that, I have more characters. I think I'm going to be using all of them because we are generating our, free and only free video on Synthesia. Keep in mind that I'm only going to be displaying the free version or the free tutorial video. And if you choose, you can subscribe to generate more videos, or you can follow along with the instructions today and check out Synthesia. As I'm creating this video, you can create yours and get a better or deeper understanding of the type of video it's going to create and whether or not it's going to be suitable or appropriate or it's going to work for you. I'm going to type in some more text where I'm going to say our new CRM focuses on making sure that our clients remains satisfied with our products, like this, products and services. Let's add both of those, why not? Oh, I can't add and the services, so I'll just add product. Now, once we have completed our script, we can click on generate our free video. And from here, you're going to add your first and last name. So we're going to add that, and we're going to add our email address, like so, gmail.com. And once we've done that, we're going to click on How Did You Hear About Synthesia? From a friend. And then we're going to verify we're not a robot, and we're going to also confirm that you have read the terms of service and the privacy policy. Once you're sure about your video script, click on Generate Video. And once you click on Generate Video, you will be redirected in a couple of seconds. Now, this is just a, demo video. And in the meantime, you can start booking your demo or watch their quick product tutorial. But it's really easy to use Synthesia anyway, so really can get started right away. Now, your video is going to arrive within your email box. So you are going to open up your mailbox, and it can take a couple of minutes. So you guys can see Lily report your air video will be sooner than you can say espresso risotto. We're going to wait for our video to arrive. It can take a couple of minutes. It's not going to arrive instantly. I would say that it might take, 5 to 10 minutes for the free videos. But when you're generating with the premium version of Synthesia, where it can include things such as your languages and voices and access to over 120 languages, you are going to have faster generation. Your generation does not take as long as it is going to take over here. And you don't have to wait for the video generation to be completed in your mailbox. So I am going to wait a couple of minutes for my video to be completely generated so I can show you guys the type of content that Synthesia has generated. Now, after waiting around 10 minutes, our Synthesia video is ready. So we can click on the Watch Your AI video, and I'm going to take a look at what our video looks like. And it really is not going to be, that difficult to create loads and loads of content with this. So let's take a look. And we're going to wait for this to load up. This is amazing. I really like this video, and I can even share this, and I can also copy the link to this and show it to other people as well, and so can you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you are now able to get started with Synthesia and Synthesia-based videos. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Until then, I will catch you guys in another video. And bonus point if you can find a Synthesia video with my voice. So make sure to look out for that as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.